Yeah. So hey guys, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode, and it is very important question of array of searching. It is binary search. Like there are many types of searches are DSA algo, like linear search, binary search, hash map search, and many more searches are there. Like मेरे को भी उसका नाम नहीं पता है, but today we will be learning and we will be solving question on Leetcode of binary search. Okay, so very firstly you should know what is binary search. Okay, so let me explain you guys little bit about binary search. After that I'll be solving on my Leetcode with you guys. Okay, so we should read the question very firstly. Given an array of integers num, we have array of integer data type and its name is nums. Okay, which is sorted in ascending order. Which is sorted means like it is in increasing order or decreasing order. It doesn't matter, it is like in binary search, it doesn't matter it should be in ascending order or descending order only, or increasing or decreasing. Sorted means it should be sorted from left to right or right to left, from up to high or high to low. Okay, so in this case it is ascending order. Okay, like bade se chota. So and next is, and an integer target is there. Integer target is there. Write a function to search target in nums. So here it is clearly written. Okay, so there is a array, sorted array in ascending order of nums, and we have to find, like there are multiple elements will be there in this sorted array, and in on that elements we have to search a number. It is target. Okay, so if target exists, if that element or if that number is exist in that sorted array, then we have to return the element. Here it is, you should be very careful. Like here it's written, we should or we have to return the index of the array. We should not return the value or element. Like here in example target is 9. See here in example number 1, our int nums are -1 0 3 5 9 12 whatever, and our target is 9. Like we have to find 9, so we don't have to in our output. See, it's written 4 means this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5. So here it is returning index 4. Here it is not returning the value of the index, not 9. Here it's returning the index. Okay, so in array indexing starts from 0. Okay, so it is written, if that target is existing, then we have to return the index, otherwise we have to return -1. Okay, so you should, and here it is written like we have to write an algorithm whose time complexity should be log n. Okay, big O of log n. Okay, if we will not write in big O of log n, then our all test case will be not passed. So here in example 1 it's written nums -1 0 3 5 12 and our target is 9. So let me explain you guys now what is this binary search. Okay, so binary search, I'll give you a real world example. Like you can take dictionary. In dictionary, if my name is Alok, ALOK, and in dictionary A to Z all alphabets will be there. So if we are writing an algorithm for that in this system, on that time what? On that time, if I know like my name starts from A, so I have to just see the A column. But when we are writing an algorithm, it will not it will check for like many test cases will be there. Okay, so we have to search or we have to write the algorithm according to that only. So I was telling, like if I'm searching my name Alok, I know it will be in a column. Like let's take a column is 0 index, B column is 1 index, C 2, D 3, E 4, 5, it will be go so on. Okay, so if I'm searching Alok in binary search क्या बोलता है, like if we are taking binary search say first we'll take the first element of the array, suppose it is 0, first element will be 0, last index will be our last index. How we'll find our last index? Okay, in this case we'll take the our array. What is our array here? It is nums. So what should be our last index? Our last index should be int last index, or int high or low, we can say int last index equals to nums, or the name of the last array is nums, our variable name or array name is nums. So nums dot length of the array, nums dot length minus 1. Okay, nums dot length minus 1 will be our last index. So here we are getting our low or our high, our first index or our last index, and then we'll find our mid index. How we'll find our mid index? Our mid index will be mid equals to high plus low or low plus high divided by 2. That will be our mid index. So then after that, after getting our mid index, we'll check here we are having our mid index. This is our mid index. Suppose this mic is our mid index, this is our right, this is our left. Okay, here I started from here, this is 0 indexing. Suppose I have elements 11 elements or 10 elements, so this is my fifth is mid. After that, this last is my last index. So after that I'll check my target with mid. Suppose in this case my target is 9. Okay, my target is 9, and I'll check whether my target is greater than or smaller than, less than or more than our mid. Suppose if my target is in this case 9, our first index is this minus 1 means 0, this 0 1 2 3 4 5, our last index is 5. So how I'll find my mid index? Int mid is equals to low plus high divided by 2. Low plus high divided by 2 means, okay, 0 plus 5 divided by 2. When I am dividing 0 plus 5 divided by 2, so 5 divided by 2, I'll get my 3. So this is 0 1 2 3. 5 is my mid index. Okay, because this is odd. Okay, sorry, 1 2 3 4 6, this is even, sorry. Okay, forget that. So after that I'll check my target is 9. My target is 9, it lies, this is my mid index, it lies right side of my mid, and here it is low side. In low side 9 is not there, so we'll just discard this. We'll discard our left side. Now we'll make our new high, new low. How we'll make our this was our mid, this is our mid, so we'll do mid plus 1 is our new low, and our high will be 12. After that we'll check between this 5 9 and 12. Okay, 5 is 9, 5 is low, 12 is high, and we'll find the mid index again. It's like divide, like how, like if I'm dividing this two portion, divide कर दिया आधा, इस portion में नहीं है, I'll search in this, इनका आधा करेंगे, इसमें नहीं है, ठीक है, इसमें करेंगे, अब it will go like this. Okay, so this is my binary search. After that when I'll find my target is equals to mid or less than or greater than, then I'll do again and again, and when I, in that case, I'll return the index as my output. And if I'm not getting, if target is not found, then I have to return -1 in my output. So I hope I'm cleared. Wait, मैंने समझा दिया अच्छे से. Like, what is binary search? Take it the example of dictionary. When we are searching from my name Alok, so I first this. For example, how I studied, how I learned. This is my dictionary. I'll search for binary search Alok. I'll find divided by 2. In this portion A will be there, in this portion Z will be there. So Z is not needed, I need this portion, so I'll just discard my Z portion. Now I have A to M, or maybe A to M or A to L. Then I'll divide again, then I'll divide again, I'll do, then I'll search in these two A. After that I'll OKA. Okay, so this is how I'll do. So let's get started for the code. So here I am writing the code for this binary search. So very firstly, class solution is there. We have this function public int data type search, and now we have int nums, array nums, and we have target. So very firstly, I'll made my first index or low. I'll made here low, and I'll index it with 0 because our first index will be 0. Int high will be, int high is equals to nums dot length -1. Already I told you guys, like in starting when I was explaining, our high will be nums dot length -1. After that I'll give a condition. While low, I'll give a condition while low is greater than, less than or greater than high. After that I'll make a mid. Int mid equals to low plus in column low plus high divided by 2. This is our int mid. After that I'll give a condition. If nums of mid, अगर nums का जो mid है is less than target, so if less than target, then it will be low is equals to mid plus 1. Else case it will be high is equals to mid, and in return I will be return nums का mid. Okay, if nums का mid नहीं होगा, अच्छा यहाँ पे nums होगा, if nums का low, if nums का low equal to target, if nums का low equal to target, ये sign, then return low, otherwise return -1. Okay, so let's run. It is accepted because I already solved this question. Okay, so our nums is this, target is 9, output is 4, expected output is 4 for case 2 also. In case 2 it is searching for 2, our nums array is -1 0 3 5 9 12. So it is -1 because it is coming -1 because it is not there. Let's submit. So yes, it is 100% beats, and the time complexity of this code is big O of log n. So thank you guys for watching this video, and stay tuned. I'll solve more questions on Leetcode, and I'll upload on my YouTube. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye bye, take care.